Do you have a drawing shape that you previously added to a document, but you now want to change it to a different shape? Well, you can change shapes at will using the technique described in this quick tip. Word has a feature that allows you to insert predefined drawing shapes in your documents, such as rectangles, ovals, or stars. You can see that the document on the screen has one such shape within it. This is a banner shape, and it even contains some text. Now, at some point, you may want to change the banner shape to a different shape. While I could just go ahead and delete this banner and start over with a new one, Word makes it easy to change shapes. All you need to do is start by selecting the shape that you want to change. I just clicked on it once, and you can see that there's handles that appear around the outside of that shape. You then want to make sure that you choose the Shape Format option right over here on the ribbon. Now, if you can't see this tab available on the ribbon, then that just means that you didn't click on the shape. Now we want to go over to the Insert Shapes group right over here at the left side of the tab. And what we're going to do is we want to choose this Edit Shape option right here. And notice that there's a choice that says Change Shape. When I hover over that, then I can see all of the shapes that are available within Microsoft Word. If I want to change to a different shape, let's say we're going to do a different banner down here, then all I have to do is click on the shape that I want, and it changes that. And notice as well that it saved the text that I had within that shape previously. Now, obviously, I'm going to have to reformat that text a little bit so that it fits within the shape, but I didn't have to go back and retype that text. In other words, I saved time by just changing the shape itself rather than deleting the shape and starting all over again. If you desire, you can select any of the shapes until you get to the exact one that you want to be used within your document. Let's say that we're going to do, we'll do a star right down here. Again, I'm going to have to reformat that text, but I have the shape exactly like I want it within my document, and I can continue to work with it and make it look the way that I want. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, well, you might want to consider signing up for the free Word Tips newsletter. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.